Good night, teacher and classmates. I'm going to explain the individual parts of this activity. Phase 4 Team Leadership. My name is Luis Alberto Torre Garcia, and my student code is the one you can see in this part of the slide. The first step is give a short description of Facebook. Facebook, Facebook is a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with family and friends online. Originally designed for college students, Facebook was created in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg while he was enrolled at Harvard University. By 2006, anyone over the age of 13 with a valid email address could join Facebook. Today, Facebook is the world's largest social network with more than 1 billion users worldwide. This is my hand-drawn billboard or paper. Uh, we are going to analyze or to talk about the Facebook case. The main problem for me is migration of companies' workforce. The causes are the four we can see in the bottom of the billboard. The first one is bad management and leadership. The second one is rising scandals due to mishandling of information. The third one is fear of job stagnation. The last is intimidation towards the employees. The consequences of this are the motivation of the workforce with the company, terrible handling in the manipulation of user information, increase in job desertion, and increase in the search of new opportunities. Well, this is my presentation. Thank you all. I hope this could be enough for this activity.